the question is, what are the common issues that you see in a methodology chapter that'll lead to it getting failed or passed along? So what are the issues that commonly hold students back, Matthew?
Yeah, this is a great question to start with because we're going to hit on a idea that I'm probably going to cover couple of times over the next hour, which is detail. Detail, detail, detail. The number one reason that I see that my grad coach clients have trouble getting it through is when they lack sufficient detail. Your methodology should be written in such a level of detail that anyone can pick it up and duplicate your study the way you intended for it to be run, even if they have no idea or no prior background or experience in your field. This is a higher level of detail, a higher threshold than what you're going to find in journal articles, because in journal articles, we're looking for quick summaries of methodologies. But in a dissertation, where this is really an assessment of your skills and knowledge, we're looking for deep, deep detail, deep understanding of that method that you have chosen. I would say the other big challenge that a lot of my clients have is not rooting their methodology back into their literature review. And so for your dissertation, you should not be creating new methodologies. You should not be creating new applications of existing methodologies unless you can tie those back to prior theories, prior connections, prior applications. We're not looking here for this magnum opus industry changing work in your dissertation. What we're looking is that you as a professional are able to take what is already existing in the field and apply it in a high level of rigor.
I think those are really good points. That detail is so important. I also like to say that justification is super important as well. And there's a few ways that you can justify that, but really you want to make sure you've got literature basis, as Matthew mentioned, but also that you've got a clear link back to your research question, because that can be a bit of an issue for a methodology chapter as well.